Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 28th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, the pound dollar is pretty bullish right now, at least on these sort of time frames. We definitely did get a break up. I can't help but notice that this is definitely a very clear three-wave move, and this to me is also a very clear three-wave move. So I do think that this is likely five waves down. It is five waves down, probably a wave A. I think this is all probably a flat pattern. And it's probably an extended flat because it's likely a higher high wave C and likely a lower low wave B. So it looks like an Elliott wave extended flat. If it really is an Elliott wave extended flat, I mean, it could drift up and make a double top. I mean, I don't really know if it's going to or not, but it definitely could. But I think there's a very good likelihood that eventually it's going to end up continuing down for most likely a wave C. If we take it back up to the daily time frame, oh, whoops, and get rid of this on the daily time frame, that makes it a little hard to see. 1 second. Here we go. So on the daily time frame, I think this is going to end up playing out something like this. Maybe go down to the 50% or the 38%, and then I think we're going to end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So keeping that in mind, most likely what we have now on the sort of time frames is a correction to the bigger uptrend. Most likely this is an A. Most likely we're in an expanded flat wave B, and it is likely going to continue down for a wave C, just like I showed on the daily time frame. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.